should you get a rowing machine? So there are a few questions that you should ask yourself if you're thinking about getting a rowing machine. And the first one is, are you sure that you want a cardio workout? Because a rowing machine is not strength training. It is really cool that it uses your legs and your core and that you're using those pulling muscles in your arms and your back. But the truth is, if you can do it for many, many reps in a row, that's cardio. That's not strength training. Secondly, what kinds of cardio do you want to do on your rower? A rowing machine can do both intervals and lower intensity steady state work. If you know how to use your rower, you can also put the resistance down to like a 3 or 4. That's similar to what it would be on like regular open water, and do just like a very chill rowing session. You can go easy for 10, 20, 30 minutes, whatever you want to do. The next question to ask yourself is, are you going to put in the time to learn to use it properly? So when you are rowing, you want to first push with your legs and then lean back with your torso and then pull towards you with your arms. And then you let go with your arms, your back, your legs. And then the last question to ask yourself if you're thinking about getting a rower is, what kind of a workout do I want? Because if you have a bike or a treadmill, it's really easy to sit on a bike and just sort of like pedal lazily while you're scrolling your phone or doing whatever you want to do. But with a rower, your hands are on the handles the whole time, and you are moving your body back and forth the whole time. So if you want a cardio machine where you can goof off while you work, then you probably don't want a rower. But if you want something where you're willing to learn the technique, then a rower may very well be for you. So what are some of your fitness related questions? Be sure to drop a comment below and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.